Okay, so I got this motor and the chain on there. I mean, the motor's not mounted or nothing like that, but I got it sitting there. Um, I figured a way to put the clutch on there because you know the clutch moves separately. The inside of the clutch, let me get that to focus. The inside of this clutch moves separately from the outside. So I welded everything together, and even in the inside part, I don't know if you guys can see the inside. I welded all that together, and boom. So it's on the motor finally. It's lined up really good. Again, it's not mounted down, but it's still lined up. I had to modify this right here. As you see, this is thinner than it is up here. So I had to cut this and then put a plate there to cover it up. So I had some modifications and stuff to do, but anyways, with that said, I can move forward. So all I got to do is get a chain breaker. I can't use the one for a bicycle chain. This is a 420. This is a really thick motorcycle chain. So I'm gonna get a chain breaker, and what else? Shorten the chain. As you can see, it's way too long. So, anyways, and we can go to the front. Probably next week, I'm gonna do the forks for the front. That way, it can be a rolling chassis. You know what I mean? Even though I need to, build the battery pack for it and all that stuff. But other than that, I'm gonna build my own forks. I'm gonna probably take some stuff from that fork to build mine, but I want my forks to be the same as this material right here, the 2x1 rectangular tubing. So this is gonna be a cold looking motherfucker, man. So I'm gonna surprise y'all in the end with this motherfucker, what I'm gonna actually turn it into. Somebody was driving something and they challenged me to build something that has never been built before. So I think I might do just that. Has something to do with transport, but that shit is cool though. I think I might go ahead and do that. That's gonna be cold to the motherfucker if I turn this into what I'm thinking about doing. So anyways, you guys stay tuned.